Hold the phone.
Hey, first of all,
Stop it, Hollywood. You're big wrong.
Yeah, I'm just saying these dudes is crazy, bro.
Yeah,
Don't think they can't get guns. Don't think they can't get guns.
In Cali?
But these Negroes is something else.
Man, I know
they make it look. You know, they make it
gotta
look,
be real tight
look,
in the stadium.
Yeah,
bro.
but they make the. You know, they make them plastic guns too now. Well, you can't even detect it.
Oh yeah, with the 3D printers.
They got them out here.
Yeah, they got them with the 3D printers.
You gotta be careful with these little.
A dude just got caught up for that. A dude just got caught up for that. They went in his house and found all the moles. Dude just got caught up for that. Yeah.
Man,
that's wild. They found so many guns. It was crazy. He was in there making them with the 3D printer.
Yeah, I'm trying to tell you, John. Man, you got them little niggas that made to their day. They got their little homeboys, and then you holler at one of them niggas, they run up on one of these niggas shoot you quick as ever out in there. And move around so quick on you that like ain't nothing happened. These dudes something else, bro. They walk up on Shannon Sharp and say, "What up, bro?" and act like they hugging him. Pow, and walk right on out.
He got security.
Oh man. And this dude, he was 23 years of age.
Who is this one?
23 years of age.
The one made out of guns?
Yeah, he used the 3D printer to manufacture firearms. He was arrested in Brentwood, California. Right where we talking about, California, right? And,
man, yeah. You can't detect them guns, can you?
Man, no, they all plastic.
Dang. Well, technology is something else, dude.
Yeah, that's why they searching like they searching. Just like,
well, that's dangerous, man. You can make plastic guns and come into a place where nobody can even protect it on you.
Yeah,
boy.
That's crazy. And they making 3D switches.
Oh my Lord!
So hold up. You tell me they got a plastic gun that can shoot multiple bullets at one time.
Right. This is not any type of plastic. This is real deal. You not finna break it type plastic.
It's wow. That's wow right there.
Like, cause in a 3D printer, you can buy any type of plastic that you want, the high grade, the low grade, anything. You can get molds online. This is so real. It's generic. You can make all your kids' toys. So you tell me this stuff get in the right people's hands? Oh man, God, that's bad because the tourists can come in and smoke everything.
Oh my God!
He was a youngster, 23.
Oh no.
He had to learn it from somewhere. 23.
Boy, just think how much they'll sell on the street for.
What? Think about how much they sell in the prisons for.
Man.
Hollywood, stop thinking about that.
This dude makes $21,000 selling 3D printed guns during NYAG gun buyback program.
And every one of the inmates get a gun. They just take them in there and keep taking them a whole year.
But you already know what it's gonna be. It's gonna be one particular guy that gets to connect, and he basically ain't gonna do nothing but talk to one particular gang to get all them ready to take over the damn prison, because that's what's gonna happen. Imagine if you got 10 people and 10 people got guns and they got multiple bullets of plastic guns.
I'm just saying.
You can hold the whole prison hostage.
Look at this. I'm saying.
That's wild, bro. They gotta stop that. Something gotta get done about that.
This is off the chain.
That's just scary to think about where that could go.
I'm gonna be back.
Scary to think about where that could go.
I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go make me a real throwaway.
Bad,
that's a real throwaway.
Boy, that can go real bad. You let them niggas about that penetration, it's gonna go bad out here.
You put fire to that, it's melting. It's melted.
Ooh,
man.
You can go bury that thing in the backyard somewhere. You can't detect it with no metal detector. I'm just thinking now. This is kind of creepy.
That's kind of scary to think about that, bro.
Yeah, this is really kind of. Yeah, this is scary. Really scary.
Just think about it now. But think about
what y'all think about this? What
about the kids that take the guns to school?
Oh no, they take real guns. I seen the one in Chicago.
I know, but now they put.
It was about 100. It was a little 100 little dudes out there. That all of them had bazookas and Uzis and 100 rounds.
What I'm saying now,
rounds, two titty, one titty, long thing, one little thing.
No, I ain't talking about. I'm not talking about schools against schools in Chicago. I'm talking about schools around America. The kids are going to the schools. Now they got metal detectors and stuff at these schools and try to detect if they got guns and stuff at the school. Think about now they making plastic guns. How you gonna keep them out the school?
TV, can I ask you something?
Yes, sir.
What have a metal detector kept a real gun out of anything?
Yeah, you're right, but at least it's still used for a reason, bro. I'm not saying they can't get it in there. But now
I got exactly what I said. That's scary.
You got something plastic you can't even detect at all.
That's a scary situation.
And these kids gonna learn how to make them too. You know these damn kids smart, man. You just watch this. The little dude was 23 years old making the gun.
23, bro. 23. Another dude that was selling them in a gun show was 23.
That's wow.
Come on, man.
These little young niggas smart and know how to make guns, bro.
All his partners, he probably calling all his partners in the paint tank and talking about, hey, niggas, I got the ultimate protection.
Man, that's scary, bro.
That's crazy, right?
You got crazy, right? In that school, man.
So hold up, does the plastic explode in you or something? I'm just asking this question. I want to know what the bullet does. Will it kill? I know if you get a headshot, it'll kill you. Of course. But I'm just saying, like,
I'm pretty sure if it shoots you, it's just like that. Look, they got different molds. So think about it. It's not like no 22. They remaking 45s and 9s. And
it's gonna shoot like a 9. It's gonna shoot like a 9.
Yeah, man. This is crazy. It ain't got out of hand.
Got plastic guns, man. This is wild.
Yeah.
Hollywood, you ain't got no plastic guns over there, do you?
On the phone.
Hey, first of all,
stop it, Hollywood. You're big wrong.